Hello friends, let's fill in the blanks with two of our. Is it helpful to you or is it helpful for you? Is it useful to you or is it helpful for you? Let me tell you, two is the correct choice here. Is it helpful to you? Is it useful to you? But we can use for if you is followed by to plus infinitive. For example, is it helpful for you to learn English? Is it useful for you to learn English? We can use for with people if that people is followed by to infinitive. We can also use for with something with an action word. For example, this is useful for your exam. This is useful for taking an exam. And we can also use helpful, useful without to, without for after it. For example, is it helpful? Is it useful? Yes, it's useful. It's very helpful. And if you think the video was helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.